Good morning, class. Today we will discuss the poem The Rebel Part 2. The rebel is the person who is quite thinking different among all, and he always disagrees with you or your friends. Means we have already discussed the part 1. Now we will shifting to the part 2. So we'll start with the part 2. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for the rain. Means when everybody wants the sun or the sunlight, but the rebel wants the rain that time. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Means when everybody is greeting for the rain, but the rebel regrets for the absence of sun. Why the sun is not here? He just regretting for the same. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody is quite busy in meeting, but the rebel is at home and reading the book. Simultaneous, when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Means everybody is at home, they are relaxing now, but the rebel is going to the meeting that particular moment. When everybody says yes please, when everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody is quite in the mood of yes, or they are positive towards any situation, but the rebel is not in that situation and he says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. When everybody means all the people, especially the people की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, the people says no thank you, they are in the negative mood, the rebel says yes please. Means he is ready to accept everything at that particular moment. When everybody is denying the situation, when everybody is against in the situation, like, but he is in the favor of the situation and he says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. Generally it is very good that we have rebels, because sometimes it is very good at that particular moment you can we can say have a spare of time to think on the situation and decide what is wrong, what is right. So rebels are very important part of the we can say our life. But sometimes in the second side of the coin, you may not find it very good to be one, but most of the time, like generally when we are discussing about the we can say the person quite apart from the all we can say crowd and we can say society, means it sometimes it's very bad for. So sometimes it is very good when we are having sufficient time to think on the situation, but sometimes it is not good because at that particular moment you are in the against of the situation, you are against of the whole society, and the society, you know, like society means you have to be in the society. Okay, thank you so much. Now exercises, answers the following questions. So there are some questions given in the poem, so you have to complete all the questions in your notebooks. Okay, so question number 1, 2, question number 3, 4, 5 and question number 6. Means total 6 questions are there, so you have to complete these questions in your notebook, and I'm sending the PDF file for the same, and answers already written in this PDF format, so you just check it out. And one more thing, please read the poem carefully and complete your work on the time. Okay, till then, goodbye and thank you.